So you've heard SoClean kills 99.9% of CPAP germs and bacteria. But how? Well, for starters, without the hassle of disassembly. Because after a simple one-time setup, SoClean cleans your CPAP equipment automatically. All you have to do is open the lid, place your mask inside the chamber, and close the lid. That's it. Well, at least for you. Because when you close that lid, SoClean gets to work automatically generating activated oxygen, a safe and natural cleaning method that kills germs and bacteria. Of course, that's just the beginning, because unlike every other CPAP cleaner on the market, SoClean cleans your CPAP equipment in just one step, reaching every corner as activated oxygen is pumped through the system, killing threatening bacteria and germs along the way, 99.9% to be exact. All the while, the activated oxygen is safely contained until the cleaning process is complete, and it turns back into regular oxygen. A process that takes no time at all. Not that you'll ever have to guess. When the status light turns green, you know your CPAP is clean. All that's left to do is get a great night's sleep. SoClean. Try SoClean risk-free for 30 days. Visit SoClean.com today.